Alright, what's up tuber fams? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Chef DZ. We're going to be making something pretty cool today since summer is starting now. We're going to make bubble tea, Dalgona coffee, ice cream, popsicles. It's going to be lit. Let's dive right into this. So these are the few ingredients that you do need. Okay, so now the process, we're going to grab a bowl, we're going to put the milk right in there, just fill it up, we're going to do some mixtures going on. So now the milk is on there, we're going to put the condensed milk, just sprinkle it right on there, just to get it mixed a little bit well there. It does get a little bit sticky, so we are going to just make sure we make use of all that. I'm going to take a little spoon here, once we let it drizzle it down. Kind of satisfying to watch. You can take a spoon and drizzle it down here just to make sure we get all that, because we do not want to waste any products there. Once that's in, now I'm going to put 2 teaspoons a little bit sugar there. I did a little bit more because I do like just a little bit sweeter, but up to your taste. Now I'm going to put just a splash of vanilla extract in there just to give a little sweet taste to it, a vanilla taste to it. And just vigorously, carefully whisk well. I would say a good probably 10-15 seconds when it's really kind of mixed in there though. Now, the next step we have going on, we are going to use the Dalgona coffee method, and that's going to be the whip and kind of the color texture that we're going to use. So it's going to be a 2 spoonful of instant coffee, doesn't matter which one, but I'm gonna do 1 and 2, depending on how strong you want your coffee to be. That's depending on how much you want to put in. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar there. I do 2 parts 2, so 2 instant coffee and 2 parts sugar there, just so a balance. Again, if you like it a little bit more sweeter, you are able to do that as well. So now dash a little hot water there, a little splash, and this is the fun part where we're gonna mix it really well with the whisk. And this, you just gotta keep whisking it until it all kind of binds together there. Kind of keep whisking it there until your arm has a very good workout, and it kind of just gotta keep whisking and whisking. So the color consistency would be looking like this. So a little bit of a caramel kind of this twist to it. You would know that it's ready when you can draw like a picture. As you can see, those 2 kind of slits there. Now on the next, we have our ice cream modes here. Sorry, popsicle modes here. We have our popsicle modes here. We're going to take all the tops off here, and we are going to put our boba or pearls in each of these little popsicle creamsicle molds here. So we're gonna just evenly kind of put it in all 8 popsicle molds here, just to kind of evenly distribute them out there. We want to layer them as we go, so we start off at the bottom, save the rest for a little bit later, and then kind of top it off after. Now we have the Dalgona coffee mixture, so we're going to put that right in there. Kind of just gives more of a kind of a color contrast, like kind of your brown sugar you know, those popsicles, creamsicles, ice cream. Kind of gives a little bit of a flavor, a little kick to it. Aesthetically, it just looks quite pleasing. So we're going to repeat and do that for the rest of the 6 of them. And we're going to make sure to give it a good swirl on the side so it kind of really sticks on there. Just like that. Really want to kind of fill in there all the gaps there, so kind of coat it on the back of the spoon there, just like that. So now once that's all done, we are going to take our the milk of the liquids, and we are going to top just, I would say, 3/4 off there. Carefully not to spill though, but there you go. And we just have to make sure not to fill it all the way to the top because we still have other toppings that we want to put on there. And now we're gonna put all the bubbles / boba pearls on there just to give a little bit of a consistent kind of evening spread there. I'm just gonna wipe off the edge just to make sure it's all clean. And we're gonna fill it up a little bit more there. Now we're gonna put our coffee, the rest of the mixture, the Dalgona coffee mixture, just right on top of there. Just kind of looks a little bit aesthetically pleasing there. Just so we kind of have the both of the kind of seeps to the bottom, so you kind of get that brown caramel kind of texture there. So we're gonna repeat and do that to the rest of the 8 popsicle molds there. And now we put all the lids back up now. And now, just to make sure the top is all sealed, so by the time it gets frozen, it will have a good kind of firm grip pulling the popsicles up there. So make sure they're all sealed and there's no air bubbles in there. Perfect. And now, it's time. Perfect. And now it's time to go into the freezer. So now that's done. Now we're just putting it in the freezer for 12 hours, 8 hours to 12 hours, but this is the hardest part, waiting for 8 hours to 12 hours. So once that's done, we pop it out, it should be good to go. So we should just wait. So see you guys in 8 to 12 hours.
The next day.
Alright, so this is the next morning, guys. They're looking pretty solidified, so should be pretty good. So the thing is, once they are solidified and, you know, you can't pull them out, what you're going to do is you're going to fill a little kind of hot bath here. Yeah, so you have your hot bath here, so warm, kind of like warm water. So you're gonna put these guys here, and then it'll kind of melt. And then once it kind of melts, kind of give it a little bit here. About probably like 5 to 10 seconds. So it's gonna like look like this. So once that's there, give it a little bit, you know, cha-cha slide. I don't know. You'll be able to take this out. Put it back here. Take this little guy away for now. Here. Looking pretty good. Okay guys, first taste test. Creamy, very coffee, and the pearls are good. Success. Here's how a popsicle should be made. Well, there you have it. Now you guys are the experts of making Dalgona bubble tea popsicles. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like if you did like what you just watched. As well, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Let me know on the comments down below how I did, if you guys would try this, and thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot to me. Make sure to hit that post notification bell just so you don't miss another Cooking with DZ. Other than that, have a great day guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Taking aim, might have missed